Good day! Kindly follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you! We are now on the last part of measurement, and today we will talk about measuring speed and rate. So what is rate? Rate is a ratio of two different quantities. Among these ratios are speed, which is the ratio between distance and time. Water consumption is the ratio of the price per cubic meter, and more. Speaking mathematically, kph or km over h equals means kilometer per hour. M over s means meter per second. Average speed is the distance traveled by the car average on an average. So we have the given formula for average speed, total distance traveled over total time taken, or you will just divide the total distance traveled by the total time taken. So let's have the examples. Number 1, what is the speed of the car if it travels 100 km in 2 hours? For the solution, so gamitin lang natin yung ating formula. So since the given is 100 kilometers, so iyon yung total time or total distance traveled. And then, ang total time taken naman is 2 hours. So we will just divide 100 by 2. So 100 divided by 2 is 55. Therefore, the speed is 55 km per hour or 55 kph or binabasa natin as 55 km per hour. Second example, a horse runs 120 km in 3 hours. What is its average speed? So for the solution, gamitin ulit natin yung ating formula. Since the total distance traveled is 100 kilometers and the total time taken is 3 hours, So therefore, we will just divide 120 by 3, so the answer is 40. So therefore, the speed is 40 kilometers per hour or 40 kph. So let us now summarize. Rate is a ratio of two different quantities. Speed is the rate of distance traveled per unit time. Average speed is the distance traveled by the car average on an average. So again, ito yung formula para sa average speed. Ganun lamang kadali ang pagme-measure ng average speed at kung ano ba yung rate at speed. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Enjoy learning mathematics. God bless us all!